Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I'm Shruti Kapoor, your favorite developer, entertainer, content creator, and now a vibe coder. In this video, we'll talk about what is vibe coding and build an invoice generating product with just vibes. Let's get into it. First of all, what is this vibe coding and what does it mean? Vibe coding is a term that has been recently popping up everywhere in 2025. But the first time it was talked about was by Andrea Karpathy in this tweet where he says, there's a new kind of coding I call vibe coding where you fully give in to the vibes, embrace exponentials, and forget that the code even exists. It's possible because the LLMs like Cursor Composer with Sonnet are getting too good. Basically, the idea is that you don't code anything, you describe in plain English what you want, and AI just generates the app for you. I think this can be really cool for creating side projects, especially for creating small apps that you always wanted to kind of create but never really had a time. An app that I have been really thinking of creating is something that helps me make it easy to create invoices for the clients that I work with. And so why not vibe code this and create this with Convex? Convex has recently launched a new tool called Chef that lets you cook an app while you just wait and watch. So Mr. Chef, create an app for me that creates invoice for a client. Let's get cooking. Before I get into the demo of Chef, I want to give a huge shout out to Convex for sponsoring this video. If you want to check out, the link is going to be in the description below. Check it out and cook yourself an app. Now let's get into it. Convex launched this tool called Chef, and we're going to cook a full stack app with just vibes. Okay, let's see what it says. Okay, meanwhile it writes the code, I'm gonna chill. Okay, cool, now it's opened an app. Alright, so it's actually done a lot of stuff, but let's see what it's doing. Actually, take a look at this summary that it's generated. It says, I've created a full invoice generation app with the following features. User authentication. It's nice that it's giving that to me right out of the bat. I actually don't need that. I'm gonna get rid of it. Client management, you can add and view clients. Trying to do too much. Invoice creation with client selection, multiple line items, automatic calculation, tax handling. Ooh. Okay, tax handling I'm a big fan of. PDF generation and download, real-time updates using Convex. Neat. Okay, first of all, I don't need remove authentication. Don't care about multiple clients. Because let's just say that I'm keeping it simple and I just want to generate it for one. I just want to generate this invoice for one client. And I want to just create a PDF. Don't care about multiple clients. So we've removed authentication, removed client management, keeping the core invoice functionality. So if I click on create invoice, okay, cool. It's giving me a bunch of things, invoice number, date, due date, nice. Description, okay, let's say video, and then one, and I'm gonna say $20,000. And tax is 10%. Now if I click create invoice, let's see if it generates a PDF. Okay, fill out this field. I cannot really see the field, not cool, so let me maximize this. Now I can see that. Okay, client name, Shruti Kapoor, client address, 123, create invoice. Alright, okay, moment of truth. Can I download this? If I click on download PDF, alrighty, it's not doing anything. Let's go back and fix this. And I'm gonna say, download PDF not working. I'm not even gonna bother fixing this. Let the vibes rule the world. Okay, download PDF not working. So I'm gonna stop and chill. Okay, it says start creating invoice now. I'm downloading it as a PDF. So let's download PDF. Download PDF. Okay, I don't think it's cooperating with me. Let's create another invoice. Why not, right? Okay, create invoice. Alrighty, where is this? Download PDF. It's still not working, bro. Still not working. Okay, so now it says let me debug the PDF generation. I'll add some console logs, simplify the PDF generation code to ensure it works. It knows. Okay, so look at that. It says, I see the issue. We need to properly export the app component. Let me fix that. Okay, cool. It downloaded a PDF for me. And if I click on download PDF, this one, let's see what it generated. And if I open this PDF, look, it actually generated a pretty nice looking PDF for me. I've got the invoice at the top, I've got the invoice number, the date and everything. I've got the description and the subtotal, which is great. It's a great start. It took me like less than 5 minutes to get this PDF running. And this can be super easy for me if I have multiple clients that I'm working with and I need to send them PDFs, I need to send them invoices. I don't have to go into like Pages every time and create an invoice for a new client. I can just use this app. I think that's awesome. It's super powerful. Here's something that's really cool about this. This is a full stack application, meaning that this is already linked to a Convex database for you. So you can actually monitor the health of your database right from this app itself, right from the chef, which is awesome because I don't have to worry about adding a new database. I love that it is already connected. What's also cool is that I can see all of the files that I've got here, and I can also see, and just like Convex, I have all of the features of Convex database right in here, which is awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed the vibes. If you did, please send me some good vibes by hitting that like button and hitting that subscribe button. Also, a huge shout out to Convex for sponsoring this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding and keep vibing. Bye.